I'll always. I'm okay, guys. Too many cookie cats. Hungry?
Come on! Let's forget about Ruby for a moment and get some pizza!
I'm not hungry. Maybe I'm a little hungry.
Is anyone else, like, starving?
Dinner!
Sorry, my stomach's still mad I didn't get